Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn everyday conversations between mother and daughter. Let's get started. Conversation 1. Conversation about study. Kate, wake up darling. It's 6 already.
Mom, please let me sleep. I want to sleep more.
You need to get up for school or else you will miss your school bus. And you are going to be late, dear.
I know, but I'm still sleepy and I don't want to go to school.
No, you need to get to school early. Did you forget about your exam? You told me to wake you up early.
Okay, Mom, I'm getting up now.
Conversation 2. Conversation after school. Hi honey, how was your school?
It was boring as ever, and I don't want to go to school anymore.
But why? Can you tell me?
Because I don't understand anything about math, Mom.
Okay, what else subjects do you find difficult, dear?
I don't understand math. It's difficult, and history is so boring.
It's okay, I understand. When I was your age, I wasn't good at math either. But my dad took time off from work to help me to do my homework. So I improved a lot. I will help you to do your homework.
That sounds great, Mom. Thank you.
Conversation 3. Conversation about school and friends. Hi sweetie, how was school today? Did you enjoy your school?
Yes, I enjoyed my school a lot. I want to go to school every day.
That's great. Did you play with your friends and behave nicely with them?
Yes, I did. We played a lot together.
Who is in your class?
I have a lot of friends in my class, but Alice is my best friend.
Who do you like to play with the most?
I like to play with Alice and Paul the most.
Did you share your tiffin and toys with your friends?
Yes, I did. I shared with Alice and Paul.
Did you attend all the classes? And which class did you enjoy the most?
Yes, I did. I enjoyed English language class the most.
What did you have for lunch?
I had rice, chicken and vegetable soup for lunch.
Was it yummy? Did you eat everything?
Yes, it was yummy and I ate everything.
Conversation 4. Conversation about meal and snack. Hi darling, what would you like for a snack?
Mommy, I would like some chocolate and ice cream.
No baby, we'll have some fruits and pancakes at home. Ice cream is cold and it is harmful for you now because you have a bad cold.
I don't like fruits. I'll have some pancakes, Mom.
No dear, you should also have some fruits every day. It is good for your health.
Okay, Mom. I'll have some fruits every day.
What would you like for dinner, honey?
Mom, I want fried chicken and salad for dinner. Could you cook it for me?
You eat them all the time. Yesterday we had fried chicken and salad for dinner. Today we are having fried fish and vegetable soup.
Oh, that's great, Mom. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.